real sense, it will not be one man going to the moon. If we make this judgment affirmatively, it will be an entire nation. For all of us must work to put him there.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Oh, that looks beautiful from here.
Now, more than 40 years later, space exploration has shifted to private corporations with the creation of the Google Lunar X Prize.
25 international teams competing against each other for one objective: land on the moon.
The second race to the moon was created to stem the economy, motivate technological research, and provide for commercial space travel. The Google Lunar X Prize aims to bring about radical breakthroughs that will further humanity's progress.
In the process of finding people who will discover new approaches to these problems, it will produce meaningful results, as well as crossing national and disciplinary boundaries and encouraging teams from around the world.
Through the Google Lunar X Prize, teams have not only developed new technologies, but a mutual respect for each other. Teams are working towards new, efficient green technologies to further expand space exploration and travel.
For cleaner energy, Team Independence X is using solar panels as their source of power on the moon.
Team ARCA has already launched a hydrogen peroxide-fueled rocket that successfully transmits data.
Taking a non-traditional approach, Team Sirenahor is using a two-skeyed craft.
These are only a few of the new and innovative ideas that the Google Lunar X Prize teams have produced to get to the moon.
You're probably asking yourself, why on earth would we want to go to the moon?
Simple. 3 R's. Research, resources, and renewable energy.
Research on the moon has many benefits. Since the moon doesn't have an atmosphere, pictures of faraway stars are much clearer. We can conduct different experiments on the moon than on Earth. We can also further determine the composition of lunar regolith and continue to explore the lunar surface, as only 5% has been currently explored.
Oxygen can be used for rocket propellant and breathing.
Silicone for solar panels.
Iron for construction.
Calcium for cement.
Aluminum and magnesium for vehicles.
Titanium can even replace steel.
Chromium and manganese for alloys.
Helium-3 for clean fusion energy.
Potassium and nitrogen for agriculture.
Sulfur for acid and farming.
Carbon and hydrogen for water and chemicals.
And sodium for caustic.
With sunlight reaching the moon's surface 14 days a month, large solar panels on the moon can provide clean and efficient energy for Earth. Because the moon has no atmosphere, a higher concentration of light energy reaches the moon's surface, proving that a higher quantity of energy can be harvested.
These teams do not want to just go to the moon. They want to develop the minds of young people and increase others' interest in science, technology, engineering, and math.
Specifically, Team Fred anticipates offering both a high school and university-level competition to promote spaceflight and travel.
Teams are working towards the moon as well as education, and are accomplishing much through the Google Lunar X Prize.
To learn more about this revolutionary competition, go to googlelunarxprize.org.